Okay, most of you know by now that if she's in this video, we're doing a fun box battle. This time, not only are we unboxing 2 boxes together, but we are also collaborating with 15 other creators here on YouTube. So without further ado, let's roll that intro and get right into this video. Hey guys, it's me, Kay, and you've arrived at my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller, mostly on eBay and Poshmark. I do sell locally at an antique mall and on other online platforms such as Kari T, Facebook Marketplace. She's clicking her nails. And I have a huge ThredUp addiction. So as I said in the intro, we are doing a collab today for St. Patrick's Day. There are 16 of us all together, starting from 2 o'clock Eastern time all the way through 9:30 p.m. Eastern. So we have Lindsey Clark, and a big shout out to Lindsay for putting this collab together with everyone. Really appreciate that. Then we had Kari at Kari T Says, then Cammy at Cammy's Craftiques, Jen at French Teacher in VA, Debra with Timeless Jewel by Debra, Pat from Pat Garza, Triple H, so Janet and Brynne with Happy Hour Haulers, Suzie from Dragonfly Bees, Stina from Stina Resells, Lindsay from Lindsay Velarde, sorry if I'm mispronouncing your last name, Amanda Pruitt, then we have Carol with RV Butterfly, then it's us, hi, hello, how are you? Steph at The Steph Style, Marilyn at Shady NY, and finally closing out with Jamie, aka the Bag Lady. So all the links to all the videos will be in the description box below. Please go check them out and watch them, see who got the best fun boxes. So here we go. We have each a box. They're wildly different sizes. You can't really tell. Hers is very shallow and mine's huge. And she picked the small one. They're both from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. I did use some credits for these. Because I am a ThredUp ambassador, so I get $25 a month in credits, and also I exchange some points for additional money off. But they are normally $34, roughly 10 items, plus $9.99 shipping and tax. So it's like $45 for these boxes now. And the last ones we opened, which were from May, that we took 8 months to open, were not that great. So hopefully these are better. All right, why don't you open yours and show yours first? Oh, hers already looks good. Oh my God. You need help? Nope. Okay. There we go. All right. See something good on top. And then flattering. Mine's gonna be hard to show because it's so large and in charge. Here we go. Here's mine. We got dinosaurs on top. You want to go first or me? Yes. Yes, you want to go first? Yes. Okay.
Hunter boots socks.
Ooh.
Ooh. In the color cream, they're a large. I'm not really sure how that translates to socks.
Just shoe sizes probally. I think
originally $30.
I have sold these before. Not new
Pricey
though.
for a pair of socks.
Yeah. All right. Not a bad first item. I got dinosaurs. They are jammy. Oh no, I thought they were jammies. I lied to you. It's a blanket.
Why would they be jammies?
I don't know. I thought they were jammies.
I don't know.
Dino blanket, 50 by 60 inches. I have no idea who makes this, but I'm sure this will sell because I would totally use this for myself.
Ooh, you're gonna be jealous.
I already am jealous.
I got Spanx.
Ooh.
For $178.
Dang. What is it?
It's like a
shapewear, like slip or something?
Yeah.
Nice. I've gotten Spanx in a fun box before, and I want to say it sold for, hello to Clove by the way behind my head, it sold for I think like $90 or something, so that more than paid for the box, so that's great. All right, let's do this scarf looking thing. It does have a little tag. Just says 100%, I don't know, 100%. And then some Asian character, so I don't know. Silk, I assume. It's very big. sorry. Here's the pattern. So I might honestly put this in my antique booth. I think that would be the best bet for me as far as reselling it goes.
Claw clips from Ross.
Fun. We don't have a Ross near here, unfortunately. I would love to go there.
By Capelli, New York.
Oh, wow. Okay. I'm gonna do this. You might want to steal this. It's a book. Yves Saint Laurent. She likes like the designer book things. She got what, Dior when we were in Paris, when we were going on a cruise and we had a layover in Paris. She got a Dior book. It was $35. This is the Scandal collection from 1971. So that might not get resold and it might just go in her room. Oh. What are you?
Bag.
What does it say? Sausalito?
Yeah.
I think that's like a destination.
Sure.
Don't know where it is.
It's got like a little pocket in here.
Pocket in there. Little market tote. Might be another antique booth item. All right, let's get this thing out of the way because this is why the box is so large. We have this
A box in a box.
And
wow.
It says under sink organizer drawer white 2-pack. Okay, ThredUp. Who is sending this into ThredUp? A fashion website. It's brand new, but like, really?
Hey, I got a curling iron once. So.
Hey, you kept it though, didn't you?
Yeah, I still have it.
Yeah.
A seemingly unbranded necklace.
That's kind of cool. Can you put it together and see how it looks like? I'm curious about these here.
It's weird. It's like a coil.
It's got plastic on the front part, huh?
Mm-hmm. Maybe it's a belt. I think it might be a belt.
Yeah, you might be right. Might be just a stretchy metal belt.
Gold unbranded belt.
Okay. I have a little pouch that is new with the tags from Loft. It was $39.50. I don't quite know who's paying $40 for this tiny little thing, but it's pretty and sparkly. Here's what she looks like inside. It's double-sided. It looks like it might be for jewelry. I think you can put like rings on this part here. So I'm sure this will sell, no problem.
I have something from Leatherology in a box.
Ooh, I bet it's leather.
Anyway.
Are mom jokes a thing or is it just dad jokes?
It is a luggage tag.
She's ignoring me. Is it blue?
It says Cardellino.
Oh,
I don't know.
I wonder if that's someone's name that ordered a luggage tag or something.
Maybe they accidentally, and maybe it was supposed to be Carolina or Carolina.
Maybe. All right, we have a headband from Draper James, which is Reese Witherspoon's brand, if I remember correctly. I've never sold it before. Sorry if you guys can't see it. It's not focusing the best, but it's just a little like blue velvet headband. It was $40.
You know the rules.
Yep. If you get sunglasses or headbands, you have to put them on for the rest of the video. Do I have something in it?
Pouch? It feels like there's something in it.
Is it just a strap maybe? That seems like leather.
Oh, nope, it's, yeah, strap. So there's a strap in there.
Multi-compartment.
Yeah, a couple different pockets.
Cool. Does it feel like leather?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does feel like very soft leather. Okay, I have a bag with a very cheapy gold chain. And it's got cherries on it. It's like raffia. No brand. It's like a red and white gingham picnic basket inside. It's cute. It's a little clutch. I would probably personally take off the chain, but that's just me.
Well,
Maybe it's a convertible?
Yes, but it also has a chain on it, but the chain has a knot in it.
Yeah, I can get that out, no problem.
But it is like, oh my god, it's a disaster. Why would anyone put this on like this?
I think ThredUp just throws stuff in a box.
Anyway, it is a belt.
So a little convertible belt or crossbody bag. Does it have a brand anywhere? There's a heart. It looks like there's a heart in the back behind the belt part. So nothing, no brand on that one? Nope. Okay. I have a pin, a lapel pin by the Museum of Ice Cream. I wanted to go there because I wanted to take some fun Instagram photos in the pit full of sprinkles, but I never actually went when it was in New York City. But here we are. Looks like the Statue of Liberty, but with ice cream. And it was $10.
I have a Coach bag.
Ooh. It does have the little bag charm.
Yeah.
I have sold just those by themselves before. I find them in the bin sometimes without a bag, or the bag is destroyed and I take the clip off.
It's impossible to open.
It's not just magnetic? Oh. Yeah, it is. It's a snap.
Oh my god. Well, there's a pocket there.
Okay. And then the zip pocket.
There's another pocket here.
Is it clean inside or is it like dirty?
It's clean.
Okay, cool. I got 2 more items, it looks like, in mine left. I have some furoshiki. How do you say that?
Sounds right.
Furoshiki patchin, made in Japan, black walnut. I have no idea what this is. It looks like maybe it's some kind of shelf or something. They're not chopsticks. It's not a fan.
No kidding.
Here's what it looks like. And then here is the little instructions on the back. And see, it kind of looks like it could be a shelf, but I will have to do some research on what these actually are.
Okay, my last item is Little Treasury of the Flintstones.
Oh, that's so cute.
Comes with the Flintstone Kids Picnic Tricks, Fred and Barney Batter Up, the Flintstones Gone Fishing, the Flintstones Clean Sweep, the Flintstones Kids This Place is a Zoo, Pebbles and Bam Bam, Tea for 3.
I wonder when it's from. Does it have a date anywhere?
I will look in a moment.
I assume it's probably vintage, but it's pretty cool. Not quite sure it belongs in a ThredUp fun box, but that's okay.
1988.
Ooh, I was actually alive then.
Yeah, you were 10 years old.
Yeah, because I'm old. All right, and my last item is a purse strap, I guess. I don't see
a purse
or a brand on it anywhere. It would be cool if this was a Claire V purse strap, because I know those can go for some good money, but I don't see anything on the hardware. But it's like a pink leopard print. Okay, so that's 1 for me. I'm gonna count mine. I only got 9. I got 9. That's the first time I've never not got 10 items.
Add 10 even.
Lucky. Well, hers is definitely the clear winner here out of the 2 of us. She got
Obviously.
Hunter boot socks, a Coach wristlet, a New Tag Spanx shapewear, and I got an under sink organizer. Yay, love that for me. But, oh, 10. I lied, I did get 10. I always forget the stuff on my head. Anyways, those are our boxes. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. Who do you think won between the 2 of us? Obviously, it's her. It's almost always her. I mean, she's the best out of the 2 of us.
I really am.
She is. She's so humble too.
So humble.
But again, please go and watch everybody else that is in this collab. Thank you again to Lindsay for putting this all together, and thank you for including me. It was really nice to, you know, for you to ask me to do this. I don't often do collabs, and I would love to do more of them. But yeah, watch everybody's video and let us know what you guys thought. Who got the best box out of all 16 of us? I mean, obviously you got the best one out of the 2 of us, but I've seen some of these people pull some really good stuff out of these fun boxes, so I'm excited to see what everybody else got. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video at any point, please give us a big thumbs up. It really helps us out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from us. You guys really seem to like these, especially the banter between the 2 of us. Yeah, it's definitely because of her. And otherwise, if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here in our weird little family on the internet, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.